show you how to frost cupcakes with buttercream icing. You should start with a piping bag filled with your favorite buttercream icing recipe. The easiest way to hold your piping bag is to grab it between your thumb and pointer finger. Then you want to wrap the end of the bag around your thumb and tuck it. This will ensure your icing doesn't squeeze out when piping and will allow yourself to apply steady pressure as you're piping. The first one we're going to make is the rose tip. You want to start in the center and slowly wrap the icing around. Once you have reached the edge, stop applying pressure and lightly press the tip onto the icing. This will give you a nice finished edge. Now we're going to use the large round tip for the swirl technique. Start piping towards the edge and slowly wrap inwards, slightly overlapping each previous layer. Once you reach the top, stop applying pressure and pull the tip straight up. For the last cupcake, we're going to use the round tip again for the dome style icing. You want to hold your tip directly over the top and apply pressure, keeping the bag in the same place for a couple seconds, then slowly pull up while applying pressure. And there you have it, 3 simple but popular ways to pipe buttercream icing.